Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am very excited because I did receive my Skylar Scent Club box for the month of July. And this month's scent is called Fruitful Bliss, and I'm very excited to get into it today. If you don't know what Skylar Scent Club is, it is a monthly subscription. It costs around $27, and each month they send you a rollerball of the month with the scent of the month, and this month's scent is Fruitful Bliss. So this one is Matte Sapote, Crisp Apple, and Lush Dahlia, and it is supposed to be delicious, ripe, and uplifting. The tropical mist rests gently on top of the lush forest canopies and refreshes the vibrant wildlife beneath. Indulge in nature's beauty and savor life's sweet abundance. Also says that it layers well with salt air and I'll escape, and inside of the little box it does say enjoy good vibes. Get a taste of the pura vida lifestyle with Fruitful Bliss's well-rounded fruity floral profile. This scent's fruity top notes of pink currant, matte sapote, and crisp apple characterize this scent's ripe and juicy nature. Light floral notes of dahlia and delicate jasmine blossoms soften the bright and crisp fruits to create the relaxing atmosphere that can be found in this Central American oasis. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. So I will say, like, the label packaging does look a little more pixelated than usual. It's not a big deal, but I just figured I would mention it. And I did have the luxury of trying the scent out beforehand today because I did go out to breakfast today, so I wanted to go ahead and test it out and see. And I actually really enjoy this scent. I wish this one kind of came in a full size because I didn't expect that I would like it so much, but I do. I really do. It's really nice. So the top notes are pink currant, matte sapote, and apple. I definitely get that apple and the matte mix very well together. It's not a mixture that I thought would mix well together in my head, but it really does work very well in this perfume. And then the middle notes are dahlia, jasmine blossom, and rose petals. These middle notes are definitely not really what I smell at all. I feel like it's literally just there to complement the top notes and make them less fruity, and that's exactly what it does. I really enjoy the way this smells, but I really enjoy the way this smells once it dries down and you get those base notes mixed with those top notes. That's when it really gets good. The base notes are vanilla custard, sandalwood, and amber, and I feel like that's what really makes this a scent that I would enjoy, because fruity scents for me can be very hit or miss, and this one's definitely a hit for me because I don't know what it is about vanilla custard mixing well with apple and matte, but I didn't expect it at all. I definitely do also get the sandalwood and the amber with that vanilla in there. I feel like it just complements the top notes of this fragrance very well, and it creates this like well-rounded summer scent that I think is perfect for summer. And I feel like this is the last summer scent we might be receiving in this box, so it's really cool to see that, you know, it's one that I enjoy. I feel like Tropical Harvest is definitely more on the fruitier side, whereas this one definitely leans more fruity floral, but also has a little hint of sweetness in there with that vanilla custard. And I feel like this is definitely on the top of my list. It's so unique to me. I've never smelled anything like this one before, but I also think that it makes me want to have matte and apples together, because like this just, they work very well together, and it's something I didn't expect. A portion of the proceeds from this month's scent will be donated to the Surf Friday Foundation. I don't know why everything is so pixelated. Like, I didn't notice that before, but the box is also very pixelated, and like the bottle is very pixelated. I don't understand why that is, but really enjoy that. My only little complaint about this scent would be is that I wish it lasted longer. This is probably one of the least lasting ones that I've tried, but it just smells so good. It also has like this clean vibe to it. It doesn't smell like candy fruity. Sometimes fruity scents can lean a little candy like, but this one is so nice, and I really do enjoy the way this one smells. I don't have any of the other ones that it says that it'll go well together with, but maybe like accentuating that vanilla would also be very good in this, so maybe mixing it with something also vanilla-y would be really nice. It almost gives cocktail vibes at first, but then it kind of just like eases itself out and like turns into this really nice, well-rounded, fruity, sweet combo that I'm obsessed with. I want to wear this on vacation. I want to wear this to the beach. I want to wear this walking around like Miami in the hot summer. It's so hot. It's so hot. You know, you want to smell good, but you don't want to smell even warmer. Perfect. This is perfect. If you've been waiting around for a fruity scent that's not too heavy, I feel like this is actually perfect for you. So at first I was worried about the Matte because I've never smelled that in a perfume before, but this is why I love this subscription, because like I'm getting like well-rounded with my scent profiles. I'm getting different vibes. I needed to branch out. I can't just smell like vanilla. It's just, you need to try other things in life. And this subscription has really helped me try different scents. I love Lime Sands. I loved Vanilla Sky. I loved Boardwalk Delight. All those that I've tried from this subscription have been incredible, so I'm just really glad to have tried this subscription out, and I'm really happy that I have this one now. Even though it is limited edition, I hope maybe one day it won't be, because this one's just so good. I don't think everyone's gonna feel the same way I do. Like, you know how everyone rounded together for Boardwalk Delight? I don't think this is gonna happen for me with this one, but oh, would it be so nice. You know, this one's just really, really nice. So I think they did an incredible job with the scent of the month for July, and I can't wait to see what comes in August. Oh my god. And I do definitely feel like it's very uplifting. It's very relaxing as well. I really love it. So if you were wondering if Fruitful Bliss was worth the try, I would definitely recommend to try it out because it does smell incredible. I hope you like this little short and sweet video on the Skylar Scent Club. I will have a link to Skylar Scent Club in my description box. It is a you get 10, I get 10 link. You don't have to use it though, but it is there for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Today's video, I am very excited. Get a taste of the Pura Vida lifestyle with fruit pink currant, and I feel like sometimes it can. I will have a link to Tyler, really.